back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. As you can see from the title of today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a teeth whitening kit by the brand FAIRYWILL. So I actually purchased this item myself, so if you want to see the results, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell button. Let's get into the video. I'm always interested in sort of self-care and DIY, and I've previously sort of reviewed a teeth whitening kit that I purchased on AliExpress. I can leave a link here if you're interested in that. But I also I used to use many years ago the Crest whitening strips, so I wanted to try that out again, and then thought maybe I shouldn't go for the Crest ones this time. I'll have a look at the reviews on Amazon and I'll see which one is the best, and this one actually came up with quite good reviews, so I wanted to try them out myself. Not only is the price really low, they were only $11.99, I think they were £11 or $11.99, way cheaper than the Crest strips, and you get a whole pack. So I haven't used any of them yet. They actually came the other day. So these are the sort of strips that you put on the bottom and top and bottom of your teeth. Now, as I've been getting a little bit older, I've noticed that my teeth are not as white. I mean, they kind of look white on screen right now, but believe me, they're not. They're not as white. And I think, to be honest, the colour of your skin and the colour of your lipstick can sort of make it look like your teeth are whiter, but they aren't. I actually checked it on the chart with these, and I'm almost to the darkest tooth, which is really bad. So I have opened them, but I haven't used any. So basically, these are gentle whitening strips. They're non-peroxide, low sensitivity ingredient. So in the pack, you get a whole 2 weeks worth of teeth whitening strips for both top and bottom teeth. So inside you get a little booklet. You get the teeth chart, which I'll go through in a second, and you actually get 12 packets of the teeth whitening, so not exactly 2 weeks worth, but almost. Now basically, the booklet basically says that you do the whole course, so I think you're going to do it every day for the whole of that pack, and then after that you can just do maintenance, which is like 2-3 times a week, just for maintenance, or whatever you feel is adequate for your teeth. You might already have fairly white teeth. So yeah, it actually explains how to apply them, so I'm going to go through that in a second. But just to take up the teeth card here, I'm going to obviously show you up close. I'm going to bring you in a little bit, and obviously to apply the teeth whitening strips, but I'm going to show you on my shade guide where my teeth are. So let me bring you in, guys. Right, so you're nice and close. So I'm going to hold this up. I personally feel that I am, and it might not be quite right on the screen here, but I was looking in the mirror and I kind of think I'm at this end of the chart. Definitely kind of around sort of here. Can you see? See how white that is? Compare that to my teeth. I'm not that white. So yeah, I think I'm around over here. But let's get a mirror. It's no point using the screen. Definitely around the 9 and 10 sort of range. Maybe 8 and 9 at a push. 9, I think about 9. So let's get the strips on. So basically we're going to peel the strip. It's recommended to apply the strips half an hour after brushing your teeth. Well, I actually brushed my teeth quite late today, but as I was getting ready, so maybe about an hour ago, which is quite good. And I haven't had anything to eat after I brushed my teeth, so I'm good on that front. Apply the lower strip first. Use the longer one for the upper teeth and the shorter one for the lower teeth. Don't apply to your gums and press gently for 2 or 3 seconds. Leave the product on the teeth for 30 minutes. If you want to gain more reaction, keep the strips in your mouth a further 15 to 20 minutes. So that's a total of like 50 minutes, quite a long time. And then you clean your teeth with warm water once finishing. So inside, I've just ripped it open. Inside the pack, we've got the 2 strips. And this long strip is going to go on the top, and this one is going to go on the bottom. So I'm going to attempt putting these on. So they kind of smell a bit. Alright, I got them. Okay. So what I've done, sorry I'm talking terrible now. What I've done is I've put them on the front of the teeth first, and then I've sort of pushed them down the back, so they're covering the whole of my tooth. What's really good about them as well is that they actually stick, whereas I think I remember years ago the crest strips you had to kind of hold them in place yourself. So let's do the top one. So again, I'm going to apply it to my top teeth first. Like so. Right, I'm all set. Now, I'm clearly talking extremely strange, and I'm going to be back to you in 30 minutes, so I'll see you all shortly. Right, so I have just removed them. Sorry, I missed that clip of me taking them out, although I'm sure you didn't want to watch that anyway because it's pretty gross. So I've took those out. You had to literally peel from behind, which is really gross. Now, I've got a load of the residue in my mouth, which is not pleasant at all. So I'm going to go and brush my teeth now with some warm water and just clean all this up, and I'll be back to you in a second. Right, so I'm back, and this is the result after one session. Do they look any whiter? I'm going to check it against the card. So I said I was about a 9. This one here, yeah, I mean, I still think I'm about a 9. A little bit of an 8 in places, maybe. The fronts of the teeth kind of look a bit whiter, but they kind of look sort of mottled white, if you know what I mean, as if they're not completely clear. It looks a little bit of white and yellow sort of mix. I believe that might come a little bit brighter as I keep trying the strips. First look, they look quite good. Just to confirm as well, and I would have left it on the screen, there are 14 strips and I left 2 in the box, which is stupid of me, but yeah, there are 14. So I'm going to continue the video, so I'll see you all in a few days or a week's time and we can compare the results then. Alright, so it is actually day 3. I've actually done 3 applications, so this is the difference now. I actually can't physically tell the difference, so I'm going to move to the side so you can see a difference between what I look like now and what I started with. Even after 3 applications, I can definitely tell. Now I can still see a little bit of yellowing. My front 2 seem to be a lot brighter. I can still see a little bit of yellowing towards the top here, but I think we can definitely improve it, especially because there's 14 in this pack. Looking at the actual card as well, I was definitely around a 9, which was about here. But I feel like, looking at it now, I'm definitely more of a 7 or an 8. So that's like almost 2 shades lighter, which is really good, and that's only after 3 applications. Sorry, I realised that I hadn't done an outro for this video, so yeah, I'm just here now just saying I hope you enjoyed the video. I think the more times you use the sort of strips, the more whiter your teeth are going to be. As you can see, these are my teeth today. This is obviously a few weeks later, but obviously if you keep up with the strips, I think it'll keep your teeth white. So yeah, that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!